Hi there, we're here at Hill Farms, home of me, John, and Sarah Hill. This is one of our chicken's waffles, and today's challenge of the morning is for Andrew and Tabby here.
Also translated as Dorcas.
Wow! To catch Waffles, the chicken. Are we ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, stolen! Stolen!
We got robbed!
Winner!
False. Caught the chicken.
Let's go to the judge.
False.
You got robbed. Tabby wins.
Woo! Girls win! Woo!
Club in my taxi cab, everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking kicks? She gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls on around me, it's definitely